Hello guys, welcome back to Tech and Unbox with Anas. Today video we will solve these some basics programming questions. So the first questions is check if a number is positive or negative in Java. To solve these questions, what are the conditions we needed and what are the variables needed? First, we need to understand that. Then we have to go to the Eclipse and solve our problem. So let's suppose we have our numbers. First things we need are numbers. That is primitive types. So int number is equal to 10. After this numbers is provided by the user, then what are the condition need to check this numbers is positive or negative in Java? So the first thing is a number should greater than is equal to 0. So here the first case is number is greater than 0, then only numbers is positive. What if our numbers is greater than as well as is equal to 10? Then that condition also should be numbers is positive. The second test cases is what if numbers is less than 0? These cases we need when the users give the uh, give the input is minus 10 or minus values. Then the our compiler what will do? Just numbers is negative is printed. The third case is what if our user entered these zeros. Then when the numbers is equal to 0, then numbers is 0. So how to solve this approach in the programming? So let's go to the Eclipse and solve our problem. So this is our class, positive numbers, and inside of this class, we need a main method. Inside of main method, what we need, first of all, we need to create a one variables that is a primitive variables. Int number is equal to then then what are the conditions we needed? So that is first of all, see our number should be a greater than is equal to 0. This is the first conditions. Inside of this block, you have to write one more conditions. If means or if number is also greater than 0, the both conditions what you need to print, you have to print this out. Sorry guys, this out. The numbers is positive number. The numbers is positive. Else come out this if block and write else. You don't have to write if you have one instruction inside the else block or if block, you don't have to write the uh, block. So just else sits out the numbers is 0. This is 0. Also we have one more conditions. What if the our numbers is negative? Then just come out this our if block. This is the our parent block, if block. Out of this and write else this out, this out. The numbers is a negative number. Now our program is done. What we need to do, just run this program and check is it working fine or not. Run it. See the numbers is positive numbers. What if our number is negative? So just write the minus 10. and run it and check. See, the numbers is negative number. What if it's zero? Let's take it zero and run it. See, the numbers is zero number. This is the way to, this is the approach to solve your problem. First, you have to analyze what are the test cases you needed, means what are the conditions you need to satisfy. Then you have to solve your problem. Otherwise, you're just thinking in your mind and you can't be solve the problems. That's all about in this video. Thank you for watching Tech and Unbox with Anas.